For the entire day, parts of Batangas were gloomy as thick toxic fog from Taal volcano blocked sunlight. Some people wore face masks for protection, while others chose to stay indoors. According to the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, volcanic smog or VOG is made up of particulate matter and toxic gas that may cause irritation to the eyes, throat, and respiratory tract. People near the volcano are now taking extra protective measures.
Baka umabot na ilang araw, mahirap na rin dahil sa mga bata, lalo sa may mga sakit, nakakatakot din pagka ganun.
Ang problema lang po namin ay ang gabok at ang usok masakit sa lalamunan, sa mata.
The local government of Agoncillo distributed face masks to students early today.
Pagdating po dito ay yun pong mga barangay na within 7 kilometer danger zone. Yun po ang minomonitor namin.
It was also hazy in nearby Tagaytay in Cavite this morning, but PHIVOLCS says it was not VOG, but haze caused by a weather phenomenon called thermal inversion and was not related to the VOG. Nonetheless, there were residents and tourists who are worried about their health. Some tourists even cut their visit short.
Our guests didn't expect that it will get this bad. So since last night, we have a couple of guests that are already asking for refunds because, they wanted to get out of here.
Iba ang pakiramdam, hindi katulad ng dati ng ulap, hindi ka naman problema sa Ngayon yung amoy ngayon ng asupre, yun ang matindi kasi pang-amoy sa baga, masama sa baga.
But the Disaster Management Office of Tagaytay still encourages tourists to visit as long as they observe precautionary measures.
Sa mga turista naman po, you are all welcome dito sa Tagaytay na bumisita. And you will enjoy your stay here surely. And just please wear face mask.
Face-to-face classes in schools in some towns in Batangas, Cavite, and Laguna were suspended today because of the VOG's threat. Some schools shifted to modular learning in the meantime. Denisa Fernandez, CNN Philippines.